Hey guys, wanna know how to join a club in Asphalt 9? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply open up your Asphalt 9 application. And once you're there, make sure you are also eligible to join clubs. For that, you need around 25 to 20 flags. So make sure you have 25 to 20 career flags. And now once you're done with that, on the upper navigation, you can see this chat-like icon. Just simply press on it. These are your clubs. So if you are joined in a club already, you need to leave it. So head towards clubs right here. And then head towards settings. And then select leave club. And once you've run it, here you can simply see create club. So simply press on it. Now type in your club name. Mention it anything that you want. Type in your motto. And your location as well. Now creating your club requires around 250 credits. So if you are willing to risk it, you can. Now you can also change your club logo to anything you like. Right here. And also change its type to public, restricted or private. And once you're done with it, just simply select create on 250 credits. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.